It's the original King Kong that made me want to direct movies. I saw that movie on TV when I was about 8 or 9 years old, and I wanted to become a filmmaker. I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep you up in adventure. And to me, Kong literally does that. I mean, you're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island, you're encountering monsters and creatures from, prehistoric times. So I was thrilled when Universal invited me back to Skull Island. And it's great to have you along for the ride. We're about to return to Skull Island.
Now, before we return to Skull Island, folks, a brief reminder to please remain seated at all times. Keep your arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. In addition, if you are carrying any belongings with you, now's the time I recommend you hold on to those items tightly. In fact, hold on tight in general, as visiting Skull Island can be a little bit bumpy ride. Very briefly now, though, I'll turn things over once more to Peter Jackson.
We really put a lot of thought into the character and personality of Kong, and he's so much more than a monster. In fact, he's not a monster. He is an incredibly majestic, ancient creature. He's a force of nature. He's old, he's wise, he's proud, he's fierce, and obviously he has a heart. The most important feature with Kong are his eyes. Kong's eyes are wonderfully expressive. They're full of emotion. His eyes are like a window into his personality and his heart. He's had an enormous number of encounters with his foes, the T-Rexes and the various dinosaurs on Skull Island, so he's been beaten up, scarred, chewed up, spat out by these dinosaurs at various times. He wears the scars of a lot of ancient battles.
Nobody's lived here for hundreds of years.
Was King Kong 360. Experience was designed by Peter Jackson and the team at Weta FX. Computer-generated imagery and digital effects have been important tools in movie making for many years. They've helped build the worlds in some of your favorite Universal pictures, from sci-fi to fantasy to action films, and many more.